Ever feel rushed, messy, and unmotivated before school even starts? Your morning decides how your whole day goes. You don't need to wake up at 5 a.m. or be perfect. You just need simple habits that actually work. If you want to feel fresh, confident, and ready for school, this routine is for you. Grab your snacks and let's get started. Wake up. Try to wake up early enough so you don't feel rushed. You don't have to wake up at 5 a.m. Just wake up early enough to have some quiet time for yourself. When you wake up, avoid scrolling on your phone. Scrolling can waste your time and make you feel lazy. Instead, stretch for a few minutes and drink a glass of water. This helps your body wake up properly. If you need to check messages or emails, keep it quick and only check important ones. Before getting out of bed, think of 3 things you are grateful for today and write it down in your journal or diary. Or set a simple intention like staying calm or focused. This way you will feel motivated to start your day. Personal care and hygiene. Once you're up, start with your personal care. It doesn't need to be complicated or have 10 steps routine. So here is what you'll do. Take a quick shower in the morning to help you feel awake and fresh. Brush your teeth properly so you feel fresh. Wash your face with cool water to remove sleepiness and brush your hair gently so it doesn't get messy later. Keep your skincare simple and easy. You don't need too many products in the morning. Just cleanse your face, apply moisturizer, and use sunscreen even if you stay indoors in school. Feeling clean and fresh makes a big difference in how confident you feel. When you take care of yourself, you automatically feel better inside and out. Appearance. Your appearance doesn't need to be perfect, just neat and comfortable. Choose a simple hairstyle that stays in place all day. Hairstyles that can work for almost all hair types like braids, low ponytail, simple buns. If you are a kinky hair girly, try H-styles like high puff, bubble braids, or a low bun. If you wear a hijab, go for easy hijab styles that don't need fixing again and again. Light makeup like lip balm and tint is more than enough for school. Also, curling your eyelashes can make a big difference. Heavy makeup is not needed at all even if your school allows makeup. You can use a light perfume or body mist, but keep it soft. The goal is to feel fresh, not overpowering. When you like how you look, your confidence increases naturally. But looking simple yet neat is the goal for school. Healthy morning habits. Never skip breakfast, even if it's small. Your body and brain need energy to focus in class. Avoid junk food in the morning because it makes you feel lazy later. Choose simple healthy foods like eggs, toast, fruits, smoothie, yogurt, or milk. Try to eat something light even if you're not feeling hungry, as it can cause cravings during midday. Drink plenty of water to stay hydrated. And also fill your water bottle so you stay hydrated in school. You can also add lemon or mints in your water bottle if you want extra flavor. Pack your lunch or snacks so you don't depend on unhealthy food at school. These small habits help you stay active and focused. Outfit. Wearing clean and pressed clothes makes you feel more confident. Always try to wear neat clothes or a clean uniform. If you don't have school uniform, then try to wear simple outfits like hoodies, plain tops, jeans, long skirts, etc. Something that is simple and looks put together. Make sure your shoes are clean and your socks are proper. Your outfit should be comfortable so you can focus on studying instead of adjusting your clothes. When your outfit looks good, you feel more confident walking into school. It may seem small, but it actually changes how you carry yourself. Study preparation. Before leaving for school, take a few minutes for study preparation. First, you need to revise something that is important. Quickly revise your test material if you have a quiz or exam. Take a few minutes to revise your flashcards. Review your homework and make sure everything is completed. Even a short revision helps your brain remember things better. Look at your timetable and remind yourself which subjects you have today. This helps you feel mentally prepared instead of confused in class. When you walk into school prepared, your stress automatically reduces. Make this a habit, as this can help you a lot in school. Review everything. Before stepping out, do a final check. Review your notes or homework one last time. Pack your bag carefully and make sure all your books, notebooks, stationery, lunch, and water bottle are inside. Also add some extra pen and pencils just in case if you need them. This habit saves you from stress and embarrassment at school. Also check your emergency kit for pads, extra rubbers, hair pins, sanitizer, etc. When everything is packed properly, your mind feels calm. You're not worrying about forgetting something important or asking your friends for things. A quick review takes only a few minutes but makes your whole day smoother. Early time-saving habits. A smooth morning actually starts the night before. Press your clothes and keep them ready. If you want to save your time in morning, then pack your bag and complete your homework early at night. Polish your shoes and place everything in one spot. These habits save so much time in the morning. When things are already prepared, you don't panic or rush. Your morning feels calm and organized. Successful students are not perfect, they are prepared. These small habits make a big difference over time. Mindset. Your mindset is the most important part of your morning routine because it decides how you feel all day. The way you talk to yourself matters more than you think. If you wake up saying things like, "I'm bad at school," or "today will be terrible," your brain starts believing it. Instead of being harsh, be kind to yourself. Talk to yourself like you would talk to a best friend. Say things like, "I'm trying my best, I'm learning, and I can handle today." You don't need to be perfect every day. Nobody is. Some days you'll feel tired. Some days you won't understand a lesson, and that's okay. What matters is being consistent and not giving up. When you walk into school, believe that you can face whatever comes. Maybe a test, a presentation, or a hard class. Remind yourself that you are capable. A positive mindset helps you stay calm, focused, and confident. When your mind is strong, your whole day feels easier. So start every morning by choosing kind thoughts, brave thoughts, and peaceful thoughts. And that's it. Your morning isn't about being perfect, it's about being prepared. Small habits done daily create big changes over time. Simple habits like having a healthy breakfast, simple skincare routine, neat hairstyle and uniform, packing your bag, and checking your homework can make a big difference. When you take care of yourself, your confidence shows naturally, and other people also admire you for being so put together. Try this routine for a few days and watch your school life feel easier and calmer. You don't need to follow this routine exactly, but you can also adjust this routine according to your preferences. You deserve mornings that feel peaceful, focused, and powerful. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.